Hey there, Tom with Acme Overland. Wanted to give you a quick update on this other project we've been building. It's on an Acela chassis, the Acela Monterra, and then a 17-foot box that we're putting on it as well. We've gotten to a place with the hydraulic rams are installed, the frame has been stretched. We've got our intermediary subframe on, some of the other fixing brackets. We're digging into the cab, digging into a front bumper. And then the box, which is behind us a little bit further, we'll give you a walkthrough on as well. There's a subframe mounted to it. It's up on a kind of a dolly that we position our boxes on. And now we're just digging in after it's returned from paint. So there's a lot of work to be done. It's all built in the computer, and really now we're just building. You'll see some cabinets around, the radiant floors that's going in, and big project, literally, figuratively. So if you have questions, please let us know. And yeah, thanks for taking a walk around with us.